The aim of this Tower of Babel is to commemorate conflicts in Europe. The concept of the Tower of Babel has long been associated with the pride and division that often lead to war. While political leaders and generals are usually responsible for dragging nations into war, it is always the man or woman in the street who ends up with the consequences being served on their plate. The tower consists of 10 dining tables, each one representing a specific war, genocide, or war-torn region. There is room for 7 people at each table, but it is set for 6. The 7th place is reserved for the person who never returned and was killed or murdered as a result of a particular conflict. The British soldier Harry Farr suffers a complete nervous breakdown after fighting in 2 battles. He refuses to return to the front and is executed by firing squad at the age of 25. Violet Szabo is a British secret agent in France during World War II. She is arrested and executed in Ravensbrück, aged 23. Mairead Farrell is a member of the IRA. She is 31 years old and she is shot dead by British undercover agents in Gibraltar in 1988. In 1995, the killing is condemned by the European Court of Human Rights. The corners of the tables where the plates are placed are meant to prod the viewer's stomach and symbolise the grief and pain of those left behind. Starting at the bottom, tables 1 and 2 are for the First World War. Number 3 is for the Holocaust. Tables 4 and 5 are for the Second World War. The 6th for the purges in Russia. The 7th for the Spanish Civil War. The 8th for the war in the Balkans. The 9th for the conflicts in Southeast Europe. And the top table for the troubles in Northern Ireland. Each plate displays a memorial dedicated to the victims of the violence. The 60 memorials are located in 28 countries throughout Europe.